The topic of today's video is how to fix Android phones not vibrating on silent or ring mode. So the first thing that we want to do is just test if our vibration motor is still functioning. So let's just press on this here, and if we don't get any haptic feedback, what we want to do is just make sure our vibration motor is not busted and that our haptic feedback is actually on. So volume button, and then you want to click on the three dots at the bottom and then the settings cog, and then in here what we want to do is scroll down to haptics and tones and just make sure system haptics are on. Now if they were off, switch it on and then try and press on the back button or the center button, and if you still got no vibration, what you want to do is go to your dialing pad and type in your phone's system code. So in order to find this on different Android phones, there's going to be different codes, unfortunately, so you will just need to Google how to get into your phone's vibration testing settings. If you do that and you still aren't able to get your phone to vibrate, just give it a light tap. Sometimes the motor is just not sitting right, and that can do the trick, but it's looking more like you'll have to take your phone in because it's highly likely then a hardware issue. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Damn, I'm done with this, bruv. I'm the dandan.